Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a slime video. So I've already got some of the mixture in the bowl. This is like a water and glue mixture, and so that's what you're first going to need. So everything you're going to need is glue. You're going to need water. Gonna need any type of like activator. I have liquid starch as staff flow, and you guys can also use like Tide or laundry, like a type of laundry detergent or like anything like that, or even borax. And these are optional things. Dye of your choice, that's optional. I have blue dye, and if you want to, you can add like some glitter to it. So that's also optional. That's what I wanted to do for mine. But this is how it is so far, and I don't think it's that well. So I have to pour some liquid starch in here. I'm probably gonna have to find somewhere to hook you up. So where's a good way I can like stand you up? Oh gosh, I'm probably gonna have to get my mother to like hold this up or something. Yeah, can you, Mama? Like, they needed to wear like they have to pour. Okay. And I'm probably gonna want to go pour this water out and put like little bits of this at a time in. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna gently pour some. I'm not gonna fill this whole cup up. So that's how much I have. And I'm gonna try to put little bits at a time in. I'm gonna see what it does from here. Oh, it's starting to form. This slime, you guys. So I'm just going to try to mix it. Okay. Good enough so far. I've got to add a bit more. This looks like it's getting there, you guys, because it's getting like all this stuff up. Okay. This was kind of good, but so my mom's probably thinking this is gross because she hates slime as she's holding this, but okay, since I have cardboard, did you pop it?
No.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna just put my dye in now. I can't open this, so I'll be back with you guys when I get this open. So I got it open, you guys. Now I've just tried to figure out a way to get it out of here. They don't have much left. I'm not doing anything. Okay, I'll be back with you guys when I can actually get this. Hey you guys, welcome to, what did I say? Okay. I just got some food coloring. So I'm gonna make this like a teal color. So I'm just gonna get some teal out. This is like, that's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna get some like on this, and then like put it in. Oh gosh, it's all over my hands. Great, okay. Look at this mixture of amazingness. You guys, I'm gonna be back with you guys when I actually get this like all mixed in.
Okay.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, not welcome back, I'm so crazy, but yay. So this is how it has turned out. This slime has turned out so good. But